Pearl is trying very hard to wean her puppies. They are 7.5 weeks old. Yeah. Aww. She's convincing them. There's Honey. And you can't chew my foot either. That's not an option, Wally. Uh-oh. I've noticed they spend way too much time chewing each other's ears. Here comes the old man. He's got very dirty elbows. I'm afraid if I try to brush him. Okay. There's there's the old man, and who's that? Wally. Uh-oh, Wing. Yeah, they know better than to bother the dogs with bones. Pearl is weaning her puppies. Yeah, that's good, Pearl. You tell them. There's Mr. Cola. Oh, there we go. We're going to find something else to do. Oh, somebody got somebody's ear. I've learned that's what those high-pitched squeals are all about. Oh,